Today we're doing some small creek dry fly fishing. It's early September and we haven't really had a big rain yet this year. So none of the salmon are up rivers. All the rivers are low. I was just feeling the itch to do some small stream stuff. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna try to do more scenic stuff in this video. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's starting to canyon up in here. So I've never been here before. So that's not something I was expecting. Ooh, I see a nicer fish. Nicer is relative. I just hung a tree, hold on. Don't want to play, huh? Kind of intimidating, thinking about how that was formed, the amount of water that must have come down here historically. That's nuts. If you look, like some of this rock is like oh, it's so hard to see, guys. Sorry, there you go. Some of this rock is like jutting out over the others, and there's a ton of trees on top and soil, and I don't know if it would take much for that to all come landsliding down, to be honest. Kind of scary, kind of freaky. I hear some rushing water, which makes me excited. That's the smallest fish I've ever caught on a fly. A little salmon fry, guys. There he goes. Now, just to be clear, that's not what I'm out here fishing for. I'm looking for some rainbow trout or cutthroat. I'm not here to catch salmon. You know, 9 out of 10 salmon are not, of these little fry, are not big enough to get this fly in their mouth. The fact that baby salmon, like 2 dozen of them, keep chasing my fly makes me think that there's no big fish in those holes. And maybe that's the case. Maybe this is not a trout creek at all, or very commonly. Maybe it's much more so a salmon and salmon spawning creek. In which case I feel a little bit bad about being out here. Now, this creek is open in the regulations for trout fishing. Well, there's a really deep, so you guys can't see this in the water, but you may be able to see the sandy bit under the water at the edge, and then it curves back under. And there's a huge shelf under there that's super deep. That would be beautiful salmon holding water in salmon season. Oh, I see the salmon fry. I've got a herd of them like raptors. That's adorable. No, no big fish. No big fish. Well, hey guys. Exploring comes with no guarantees. Let's keep going. Guys, straight ahead, there's a massive, beautiful tree that unfortunately has fallen right across the river. We got to give that a shot. I think that might be our turning around point. Although, if you can tell, it's getting more green, less caverny here, so probably better trout holding water. aka structure. But we'll have to just see what it looks like. I have to be conscientious of time as well. Hi, baby salmons. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This tree is incredible. Whoa! You see a little fish? I think we have to go under here. A huge tree. My God. Poor thing. Well, we've come this far. Let's fish a little bit more. No, I don't want baby salmon. I want a trout. And there's a log jam here, guys. Okay. No, I don't want your little babies. I want your older cousin, the trout. Oh no! I just yeeted this fish. Now this might be the smallest fish I've ever caught. There he goes. That's one of Trout Fly's barbless elk-hair caddis. I think he actually just tied that for me. I'm not sure if he sells it, but the way he tied it, the elk hair goes all the way around, so it floats amazing with no floating whatsoever. Instead of just tying it on top, he tied the elk hair all the way around. This is just genius. Yeah, I'm starting to think maybe it was just a larger fry that went for my fly here early on. I think I'm gonna stick you guys under the water so that you can see what's happening right now, because it's pretty cool and the light is coming in nice.